Lovebirds are known for their strong monogamous relationships, where they form a lifelong bond with their chosen mate. This monogamous behavior is a prominent characteristic of lovebirds, setting them apart from many other bird species. Monogamy in the wild. In their natural habitats, lovebirds live in small flocks and engage in social interactions. However, when it comes to mating, they form exclusive pairs. Lovebirds actively seek out a mate, and once they find one, they establish a strong bond. This bond is typically lifelong, with the pair staying together until one of them dies. Bonding and courtship. Lovebirds engage in various courtship behaviors to strengthen their bond. These behaviors can include preening each other, sharing food, and engaging in mutual grooming. They also display affection through touching beaks, known as billing. These actions help in the bonding process and create a strong emotional connection between the pair. Emotional attachment. Lovebirds develop a deep emotional attachment to their mates. They rely on each other for companionship, support, and social interaction. They often engage in activities together, such as flying, foraging, and exploring their surroundings. This emotional attachment is essential for their well-being and overall happiness. Relationship dynamics. Within the lovebird pair, there is typically a dominant and a submissive bird. The dominant bird usually takes charge of activities such as choosing a nesting site, defending territory, and taking care of the mate. The submissive bird may assist in these tasks, but generally follows the lead of the dominant partner. Lifelong partnership. Lovebirds are known to remain faithful to their mates throughout their lives. If one partner dies, the surviving bird may experience grief and loneliness. In some cases, the surviving lovebird may seek out a new mate, while others may remain single for the rest of their lives. It's important to note that while lovebirds display monogamous behavior, it doesn't mean they are immune to challenges or temptations. In some cases, lovebirds may form close bonds with other birds or display brief periods of infidelity. However, these instances are relatively rare compared to other bird species. Lovebirds demonstrate their affection for each other through various behaviors, such as preening each other's feathers, feeding each other, and sitting close together. When lovebirds are separated from their partners, they may show signs of distress, such as calling out, decreased appetite, and reduced activity levels. Lovebirds engage in courtship rituals to strengthen their bond. These rituals include touching beaks, wing flapping, and performing synchronized movements. Mated lovebirds often engage in mutual preening, where they groom each other's feathers. This behavior not only helps keep their plumage clean, but also strengthens their emotional bond. Lovebirds are highly social birds and require companionship. If a lovebird loses its mate, it may become depressed or exhibit signs of loneliness. In such cases, introducing a new mate or providing additional social interaction can help alleviate their distress. Lovebirds are known for their displays of affection. They often cuddle and snuggle up together, often sleeping side by side. These close physical interactions reinforce their bond and provide a sense of security. Male and female lovebirds share parental responsibilities. They take turns incubating the eggs and feeding and caring for the chicks once they hatch. Lovebirds communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, including chirping, chattering, and whistling. These sounds serve to maintain contact, express affection, and establish territory. Lovebirds are sensitive to their partner's emotions and can sense when their mate is upset or distressed. They offer comfort and support through their presence and behaviors. Lovebirds have been observed engaging in allopreening, where a pair will preen each other simultaneously. This behavior not only strengthens their bond but also reinforces trust and cooperation. Lovebirds enjoy playing together and often engage in activities like climbing, swinging on branches, and exploring their environment as a pair. In captivity, lovebirds can bond with humans and form deep relationships with their owners. However, it's essential to provide them with social interaction and companionship from their own species to ensure their well-being. Lovebirds are known to exhibit jealousy. If one partner receives attention or affection from another lovebird or human, the other lovebird may become possessive or display aggressive behavior. Remember, these facts provide a general understanding of lovebirds' love and monogamous relationships, but individual behaviors may vary among different species and even among individual birds.